Okay, so I'm not going to rewrite all of this. I already recorded the lesson once, but my microphone would not unmute. So I'm going to walk you through this lesson pretty quickly, and it's actually pretty cool. It's actually and really easy. So this lesson is 4.9, and it's multiplying with 9. So Olivia's class is studying the solar system. 7 students are making models of the solar system. Each model has 9 spheres, 8 for the planets and 1 for Pluto, a dwarf planet. How many spheres do the 7 students need in all, or need for the models? So first off, they ask us, what do we ask to find? What do we need to find? Well, it's simple. How many spheres? How many spheres are they using? How many students are making models? 7. It even says it right here. If we go through and circle stuff, we'll know exactly what to find. Now it says we're going to use distributive property, and that's the property that's our tough property. But that's the giving property, distributing things out. So we have 7 times 9. Well, they break 7 times 9 into 7 times 3 plus 6, because 3 plus 6 makes 9. Now we have to give our 7 to this 3, and we have to give this 7 to this 6, like they did below, and drop the plus sign. We know 7 times 3 is 21, plus 7 times 6, which is 42. If we mental math this, we'll get 63. Okay? 63. Now we can do the same thing, but let's make 9 a different way. Let's make 9 with subtraction. So 7 times 9 is now 7 times 10 minus 1. We know 10 minus 1 makes 9. So now we got to give this 7 to this 10. We got to give this 7 to this 1. So 7 times 10 is 70. 7 times 1 is 7. 70 minus 7 is 63. So 7 students need 63 spheres for all of the models, okay? For all the models. And this is the coolest way to multiply. Remember your multiples of 9. So we have to notice. What do we notice about the... Don't worry about writing all this stuff. Okay, let's just worry about writing stuff in the blanks. What do you notice about the tens digit of the product? Well, look. The tens digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They count up. But the coolest thing is the tens digit is actually 1 less than the factor that is multiplied by 9. For example, look at 2. What is 1 less than 2? It's 1. Look at 3. What is 1 less than 3? 2. 4, 3, 5, 4, 6, 5, 7, 6, 8, 7, 9, 8. That's the coolest thing. It's 1 less. Whatever you multiply by 9, if it's 5, 6, 7, it's going to be 1 less than that number. That's always going to be the tens digit, okay? And what do you notice about the sum of the digits in the product? For example, what's 1 and 8 make? 1 and 8 make 9. What's 2 and 7 make? 9. What's 3 and 6 make? 9. The sum of the digits are always 9. So if we multiply 7 times 9, what's 1 less than 7? It's 6. 6 plus what make 9? 3. So the answer would be 63. That's simple. The 9s might be our easiest one. So to use the patterns to find 8 times 9 and 9 times 9, first off, what's going to be the tens digit? Well, what's 1 less than 3? 2. And we know 2 plus what make 9? 7. That's the answer. 27. I circled the 9s in all of these because that's the number we're focusing on, okay? We're going to look at the other number to determine the first digit in our tens. For example, what's 1 less than 8? 7. 7 plus 2 make 9. Final answer, 72. What's 1 less than 2? 1. 1 plus 8 make 9. What's 1 less than 6? 5. 5 plus 4 make 9. 54. What's 9 times 1? We all should know that. That's going to be 9. And this might go a little bit faster. You're going to have to pause this a little bit. Make sure you can get access to the YouTube one, okay? You should be able to log in if it even tries to block you to YouTube. I circled the nines again because we're focusing on the other number. The 9 stays the same. What's 1 less than 4? 3. 3 plus 6 make 9, 36. 1 less than 5? 4. 4 and 5. 4 plus 5 make 9, 45. 10 times 9, 90. 1 less than 10 is 9. 9 plus 0 make 90. 1 times 9, we all should know, is 9. I circled the 9 again. 9 times 5, what's 1 less than 5? 4. 4 and 5 make 9, 45. 1 less than 3 is 2. 2 and 7 make 9, 27. 1 less than 6 is 5. 5 and 4 make 9, 54. 1 less than 7 is 6. 6 and 3 make 9, 63. And 1 less than 4 is 3. 3 times 3 plus 6 is 9, 36. Simple as that. We did the same thing. We multiplied here. So like 2 times 9 is 18. 3 times 6 is 18. Those are equal. All right. 5 times 9 is 45. And 6 times 7 is 42. Well, I used to learn it this way. I think that you learn a different way. But the alligator wants the bigger number. So he's going to eat the 45. So 45 is greater than 42. 1 times 9 is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. Those are equal. 9 times 4, what's 1 less than 4? 3. 3 and 6 make 9, 36. 7 times 5 is 35. The alligator is going to eat the 36. 9 times 0 is 0. 2 times 3 is 6. 9 times 0 is less than 2 times 3. And then 5 times 8 is 40. 3 times 9 is 27. 5 times 8 is greater than 3 times 9. I'll give you guys a few seconds to copy that. I know this is moving a little bit fast, but I want to try to get this lesson out quick. I don't know why they muted my mic. All right, so the number of moons for one of the planets can be found by multiplying 7 times 9. Which planet is it? 7 times 9. What's 1 less than 7? 6. 6 plus what make 9? 3. 63. And the answer is Jupiter, because Jupiter has 63 moons. Number 22 says, this planet has 9 times the number of moons that Mars and Earth have together. What planet is it? So we have to add Mars and Earth together. Earth has 1 moon, Mars has 2. So 2 plus 1 make 3. And this planet has 9 times that number. So 3 times 9, which is 27. What is Uranus? Because 3 times 9 is 27. And it says Uranus has 27 moons. Right? What multiplication fact with 9 can show the number of moons Uranus has? Describe the fact. Well, we just did it. 9 times what can equal 27? It's 3. Because 1 less than 3 is 2, and 2 plus 7 make 9. 27. I'll give you guys a few seconds on this one. And remember, if you're using YouTube one, you should be able to pause pretty quickly, okay? You should be able to pause very, very quickly and not have to start over. That's why I'm trying to upload stuff to YouTube a lot more, because it's easier to navigate, scroll forward, scroll back, and such like that. So the next one says, 9 students made models of Mars and its moon. The answer is 18. What's the question? So we got to make a question. It's simple. Mars has 2 moons. So Mars has 2 moons. 9 students made models. How many moons were made? Okay. Mars has 2 moons. 9 students made models. How many moons were made? And if some of these words seem a little bit put together because it's hard to space out with this thing I'm using, look up here to spell it right. I take stuff from the answer and just put it in the question, like you guys should know how to do. All right. The next one. This is the last page before we go on. It says the school library has 97 books about space. John and 3 of his friends each check out 9 books. How many space books are still in the library, school library? So, first off, what do we need to find? Well, the last sentence tells us how many space books are left. That's what we have to find. They have 97, but John and his 3 friends are going to check out books. How many space books are left? Describe one way to find your answer. Well, we're going to add 1 plus 3 because John and 3 friends. John is a person and his 3 friends, so that makes 4 people. So we got to add 1 to 3, then we got to multiply it by 9. That's going to give us the total number of books that they took. Okay? That's the total number of books that they took. Then we take the product, which is the answer to multiplication, and subtract it from 97, which is the number of books that the school library has on. So this is a huge problem. We got to add, multiply, then subtract. Okay? So we're adding 1 to 3, then multiply by 9. Then we take the product and subtract from 97. Okay? Let's see what that looks like. 1 plus 3 makes 4. 4 times 9. 1 less than 4 is 3. 3 plus 6 makes 9, 36. And then 97 minus 36. 7 minus 6 is 1. 9 minus 3 is 6. So this is our final answer, 61. So it says complete the sentence. The library has 97 space books. Multiply 4 times 9 to find out how many books John and 3 of his friends check out in all. After we find that number, we have to subtract to find the books still in the library. And we know there are 61 books left, okay? There are 61 books left. And please, guys, you guys can pause this anytime. I want you to pause it. And the last one is a little bit tough, but I did it for you. 7 times 3 is 21. 21 times 3. Well, skip count 2, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3. 63 and 63, they are equal. So you guys have to do the front by yourself, and I'm still taking a grade on this. And then this will be on Schoology, okay? This will be on Schoology for you to do. But you can do it on here and Schoology, here only, either one, okay? So, sorry if this was a little bit rushed. I recorded it a pretty long lesson earlier, but to try to get this lesson out, I just went through it with you. Go through and pause, go back and rewatch. It's a pretty quick and easy lesson. You guys should be good to go, all right? Have a good one.